Get out, get out, get out, get out.
Stand still. He's shooting him. He's shooting him. Oh, he's killed him. He killed him.
Man, there's a shooting. We're watching the shooting happen.
Oh, he's shooting him up.
Tanto el cine, güey.
Oh my god. Babe, back out. Está shoteando, babe.
What's going on? There's a shooter. There's a shooter.
Babe, hace para atrás.
We have law enforcement injured. We have the DPS trooper in Midland County. We have one MPD officer and one OPD officer that were struck. As far as civilian casualties, we have at least 21 victims, 21 shooting victims, and at least 5 deceased at this point in time.
Too early to say right now at this point, but I can tell you that right now it's just, just shelter in place right now. I'm sure the police department has sent out that message to the community to make sure that everybody's aware of what's going on at this point.
Do we know how many are in Odessa hospitals or how many are in Midland hospitals, or does that count?
That count, we're just trying to figure that out at this point, but I can tell you that we've notified Medical Center Hospital. We've also notified Odessa Regional Medical Center and Midland Memorial Hospital. So we've also notified our outlying communities